Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And in this video we'll talk about Luna Classic, alright? Has been relatively bullish, basically, well, since the whole market has been recovering. But yesterday evening we got a bit of a pump, so wanted to talk about that, wanted to give you my thoughts. Can we actually, get into some sort of a bull run here? We're at that same resistance level as we were last time. I also covered it, the 16th of July, right here. So yeah, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about everything you need to know. To my knowledge, there's no fundamentals we need to know about. I mean, there's like, I have like some sort of an alert bot when things are pumping. And yesterday there was a lot of trading on USTC as well. So the previous UST, if some of you still remember that. Which is always interesting, because that always like kind of revives some sort of a hope. For a Luna Classic USDC repack proposal. Who knows? I mean, that's been in the works for like 2 years now, so I don't have much hopes anymore, but like something like that fundamentally could mean a lot, and I do think we need something like that to break out. All right, so far, if you look at Luna Classic, like we gained a lot of momentum into like 1 a.m., so about like 9-10 hours ago if you're watching this video. Since then, momentum has been flat. CVD, like we've had some closures already, some new long positions opened. I would say like if you look at this, it's still the momentum, or at least the amount of positions open, is still very, very high. And usually that means that there's actually potential, all right? And I tend to agree with that, but the thing is that like, if you look at Luna Classic here and we go to the 12-hour time frame, we zoom out a bit, like I would say that if you look at such a strong move, and I expect the markets to be relatively bullish, and the momentum is still very high, like I would say it's not the worst idea to buy Luna Classic here. I mean, it's always better to wait for some sort of a pullback, right? So if we pull back into this area right here between 8,000 and 7,500, that would be a better entry. But there's enough reasons to be bullish on Luna Classic. And by the way, 7,500 might actually be a good entry. You have the 382 FIB there, you have the 50 EMA there, it's a psychological level, it's not bad. I'll place a price alert there. But continuing, but buying right now, I think makes no sense. Even though there's the potential of something happening here, there's enough kind of indicators pointing towards that. It's always risky. Like Luna Classic has these spikes followed by a dump so often that you cannot really build. You cannot really build on Luna Classic. And if you buy right now, you're buying into this massive resistance level between 9,000 and 9,500, which makes like the potential reward is like 10%, while the potential risk is also like 10% into that entry potentially at 7,500, which is a risk reward of 1, which sucks, right? So I would wait for more confirmation. Either a big bullish breakout above something like 92, 9,300, then it's strong enough, I would say, to chase, all right? So to still get in a little bit later, or wait for a strong support level to be hit, and that we actually gain more momentum. Because right now momentum is still very high, but if the momentum doesn't start increasing more soon, it will just be a big sell-off, and then this pump we had will end the same as the other pump we had in July, and it will just be a big sell-off. And for now, until we have seen the bullish breakout, I would say that's most likely. All right. So those are my thoughts for now. Do I think we can rally here? Yes. Will I potentially buy Luna Classic? Yes. But for now, there's not enough confirmation. All right. So those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it was valuable, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.